Yo, what up everyone, it's your favorite boy, JG Technion, coming in with another banger video to you all, and this is pretty much just about a new PC cabinet I got for my PC. It's the Lian Li VISION Compact edition. So switching from the Hyte 70 to O11 Vision Compact is gonna be a little bit different, but it's gonna be nice because there's gonna be a lot more space. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's go. Then we come to the case. Specifically, this is only about the details. That's gonna come a separate video about how I built it with POV on my GoPro, but that's a totally different video. But today we're just gonna talk about specific specs on it. Got two panel choices on the top side. It got glass and mesh. So normally in the Lian Li O, you only got glass in the front and the side. This you can also get in the top, so you can get a view of all your components uninterrupted. And also mesh mode for more radiator and fan supports for more cooling in the chamber, and also supports up to 11 fans and 360 radiator in the side, in the top, in the bottom, and also a radiator on the rear, actually also fans there. And also comes in white and in black, and it's just a dual chamber layout, so it's also have hidden AIO streamlines, so you can hit the AIO lines if you want to. It got swappable glass and mesh top panels. It got 4 drive capacity. It got cable management friendliness, air tube, current cancellation routing, what they call, and backbone connectors for motherboard. So if your motherboard have the connectors instead of the front and on the back instead, well, it also supports that. So you can also do the BF with the motherboard and the graphics card. Almost 11 liters smaller than the original O11 Vision. So it still support all the stuff, but it's just smaller and more compact. Also just like every other PC case, having a front I/O with USB-A, USB-C, and also a combo jack, and you can remove that. So it is a module you can move to another side of the case or to the side of the case, to what you prefer. So that's pretty nice. But that's actually the last thing about the case, but just want to also add that in. And overall, it's a beautiful cabin and really good choice, and also I got it for a good deal. It's actually not that pricey when it comes to it. I would say it's one of the more affordable. That's pretty much it. Specs, unboxing. And if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then I'll be see you all on the next video. Peace out, much love. JG is signing out. Bye bye. Peace.